Do you really think you can win? Poor little bat.
Cześć, witam was bardzo serdecznie w kolejnym odcinku z Batmana.
Joker went through that door. What's on the other side?
We call it extreme isolation. Only way in is via the transport system.
Open it.
Not a problem. I'll just need to call another cell.
Musi coś sprawdzić. Jasne.
Something's wrong here. The main security loop is locked.
Having a little trouble up there?
Joker.
Joker.
Expecting maybe Two-Face?
There's no escape, Joker.
Silly bat. I don't want to escape. I'm having way too much fun. I even have you here to give a smile on my face.
Not for long.
Really? We'll see.
Really? We'll see.
I forgot to say. Just in case you were planning on following me, I've arranged a little insurance. Gordon is on his way to Harley as we speak.
Officer Bowles.
If I see you trying to follow me, he dies. Harley's looking forward to it. Maybe I'll film it and post.
Ja pokażę to wszystko w necie. Okej.
The transport system is down. Best I can do is open the door you came in. Sorry.
Sorry.
I should go back to the holding cells. Bowles wasn't too smart. He'll have left a trail.
Batman, what's happening?
Joker's escaped. He sealed himself off. He's got your father.
Dad.
Don't worry, I'm getting him back.
Okay, I know, but...
Oracle, I'm getting him back. Joker will not win. I won't let him. I'm starting where he was taken. A guard named Frank Bowles attacked him. If I find Frank, I'll find your father.
Bruce, hurry, please.
Potem sobie obejrzę życiorys. Ale gdzie ja mam iść? Uratuj. To muszę zawrócić.
Look on his face. Thought he was gonna wet himself. Did you see me? Yeah, he never saw it coming. He's here!
Ciach, 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 ciach. Ciach, ciach. Ciach, ciach, ciach. Boom! On nie żyje? Chyba nie żyje.
Oracle, I'm at the holding cells. I'm setting up a crime scene.
So what's the plan? Isolate something in that room unique to both?
Exactly.
Exactly.
Bowles dropped his flask. Sloppy. Let's see what the forensic scanner picks up.
Skanowanie.
I can follow traces of alcohol from Frank's bourbon in the atmosphere.
I've got a trail.
That's great. You follow it. I'm grabbing every reference to Arkham I can find. Maybe useful later.
I co teraz? Tu jest ten ślad. I chyba tu. I tu. I tu. I tu. I tu. Odbierz telefon. Gdzie ten telefon?
Hello? What's happening there? I'm trying to contact Steve. Is he there? Hold 1 second. I'll see if I can find him. Thank you.
It's darn elevator.
Looked everywhere, but I can only find his head. I'll get back to you when I find the rest of them.
Come on, what's taking so long? Stupid, unreliable. How did Joker get...
Be quiet.
What's going on?
What's going on? Oh, oh, oh.
Mr. J doesn't want you following us just yet.
Boom.
What the hell happened?
How did you like that, P-Man? No way you're following us now. You're trapped down there till me and Mr. J unfix.
Gordon was taken up to the surface in the elevator. If I want to follow them, I'll need to do this the old-fashioned way.
Ciach. Nie. Nie tutaj. To gdzie? A tu. Przesuń się wzdłuż grzyńców.
Hey, Babs! I know you can hear me. I've got a little something for you to listen to. Harley and Frank are really out of the with the old man. How are they fantastic for the car?
Nie, niedobrze.
Let's have a listen, shall we? Hey, Frank, breathe in. Joker's got more men on the way. They're coming around the front of the asylum. Gotta stop them getting in. Quick, get over there. Damn, come on, everyone, cover the main entrance.
How many are there, Bowles?
Hang on, how the hell do you know what...
Oh! Frank, what are you doing? No, put it down!
Frank, what the hell?
Co my tutaj mamy?
It's some piece of work, Frankie. Just fall for someone like you.
Co mamy tutaj?
Buddy with a hired help, Harley.
Don't worry, sweetie. You know I only have eyes to see you.
Did you hear that, Bat? Sounds like Frankie's working out just fine. Another valuable employee for the organization.
Co my tu mamy?
Alert. Alert. We are currently experiencing a Category Red Alpha security alert. This is not a drill. Report to your section command.
Chyba nie mam kontrolowanego wybuchu. Więc idziemy dalej.
Warning. All patients should remain
Jak
still and
asasyn.
place their hands upon their heads. Failure to comply could result in action that could lead to injury or loss of life.
Dym, 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 hop.
Warning. Multiple security breaches on level A4.
What's next?
Warning. Arkham Intensive Treatment is at Code Red Alpha.
Code Red Alpha.
Warning. Multiple security breaches on level B4.
Tu jesteś.
Warning. Multiple security breaches on level A6.
Dun, dun, dun. What's next? Jakie tajemnicze symbole?
I am the spirit of Amadeus Arkham. Through my actions, I have saved this cursed city, though my own curse is to forever remain in the shadows.
In the shadow.
My story is carved into the very soul of Arkham, and will only be revealed to those dedicated enough to discover it.
Aha.
Guys didn't put up much of a fight. Joker was right. This is easy. Bring it home. They don't stand a chance.
This guard always gave him a hard time.
Not anymore.
Yeah, serves him right.
You really gonna do what you
It's the bat!
Bijatyka. Ciach, 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 bach. Boom. Ciach, 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 kontra. Boom. Ciach, kontra. Aj.
Don't let him hit you, you idiots! Jeez!
Ciach, bach, ciach. Ciach, ciach, ciach. Bach. Boom.
Batman, how's it going? Any sign of Dad?
Not yet, but I'm getting close. Harley Quinn tried to slow me down, dropped an elevator on me.
Did it work?
Of course not.
Of course
I'll get
not.
back to you when I reach the end of the trail.
Otwórz, otwórz, otwórz. O.
Please! I've got a kid. You don't have...
Right.
Ooh.
I don't have to. I just want to. Okay, boss says no one gets past. Anything moves, shoot it. You got it. Anyone coming this way is dead.
Oracle. Joker's men have taken control of the cell block transfer corridor.
That's not good. I patched
That's
up the
not
guard
good.
radio. It sounds like Joker's crew have got their hands on weapons.
I know. I'll
I
calibrate
know.
the Cowl's vision mode to isolate armed henchmen. The direct approach is suicide. I need to be smart.
find a different way past them.
Gargulec. Gargulec.
So is the bat really coming this way?
Who cares? He sticks his pointy head into the room and we blow it off.
Jasne, strzelimy.
Dead man walking.
Skradamy. Jeden. Drugi. On, jakby to była prawda, to już dawno bym nie zobaczył, no ale... No. Okej.
No problem, boss. The boys are just finishing off. The Arkham chumps never stood a chance.
Well, good. Our friendly neighborhood rodent is on his way. You need to set a trap. He must not leave this building. Do you understand me?
Yes, boss. The bat is as good as dead.
I hope you keep your promises, boy. I'd hate to have to go and punish your family just to teach you a lesson. And I can promise you, they won't be laughing.
But Joker!
Yeah, but just do it.
Just do it.
I know I will.
Cichy knockout. Ciach. Ciach.
Oh, look who it is. Are your pointy ears burning? I suppose I'd better warn my boys you're on the way. Hey,
Niech mają niespodziankę.
be a nice surprise.
Nice surprise. Ciach.
Joker here with a quick update on what's new in the asylum. Attention, we have an escaped patient. Dresses like a bat. Oh, what an idiot. Should be considered costumed and dangerous. Personally, I think the best solution is to put him out of his misery. It's the only reliable cure.
Like taking candy from a baby. Batman better not try and mess with us.
Nie.
Oh, that's what I like to see, boys. Not scared of the big bad bat.
Easy for him to say. We're stuck down here.
Okej, tam jest jeden. Tu jest jeden.
Batman's as good as dead.
Jest już martwy, z pewnością. Okej, jak to rozwiązać?
Whoever kills the Batman wins the grand prize. A night out party.
Nie to.
Don't worry, Father. It'll be a nice surprise.
Fuck.
Hey, I can do this all day. Why don't you come out and face me? Come on, where are you? Ah, the hell with this.
Ciach.
I'll tell you the one
Zepsułem to.
Batman fighting on top of the Gotham
Ale
Library.
cóż.
Really, he's not that scary. He's nothing.
Ciach, bach. Bum.
You're mine. I'll find you and kill you.
Hmm.
Don't be scared, boy. He's just like you and me. Just crazier. I mean, if anyone deserves to be locked up, it's
Może najpierw zabiję tego.
What the?
Okej. Jeden zabity.
Oh God! I found someone over here.
Gdzie drugi? Tutaj.
What happened to you?
What happened?
Anyone got a way out of this? We've got to find him, or we're next. You hear me? Leave him here. Spread out and find that bat.
Sia. No rozdzielcie się, no.
Remember, boys, look in every corner. He's a tricky one. Could pop out of anywhere. When he does, blow his head off.
Dobra, jeden idzie tu, drugi stoi przy trupie. A, wychodzisz. Skurczybyku.
Man, where is he? He could be anywhere. Man down! Man down!
Sia. Co? Bij go.
Did you really think it was going to be that easy, that? I've sent a few more of my boys your way. Let's see how...
Harleen Quinzel,
Call me Harley. Everyone does.
I'm surprised you want to intern here at Arkham.
I've always had a thing for extreme personalities. You can't deny there's an element of glamour to these super criminals.
I warn you right now, these are hardcore psychotics. Most would rather kill you than speak to you.
I'm sure I'll be fine, Doctor.
They'll eat you for breakfast. I mean it. One or two of them will enjoy it too. Be careful.
Be careful.
Deal with these odds.
Joker wants him found. Spread out.
Rozejść się.
He could be anywhere.
Then keep your eyes open. Now move.
Now move.
He's nothing. Not even sure he's real. I mean, I've seen loads of people dressed up in my guise, and who knows? Even one of you could be the Batman.
I jesteśmy. Jeden tu, drugi tu. A gdzie trzeci?
Where'd he go?
Tu jest jeden. Fok.
It's back! He's above us. He can fly up in the air.
O Jezus.
He could come from anywhere. I didn't see where he went. I can't see him anymore.
Zbeszczeszczę twoje zwłoki.
Come on! He's just a loon like the rest of us. Believe him, you
Tu się nic nie stało. Siach. Do kogo mówisz, jak tu nikogo nie ma?
He's taken out 2 of you. Find him.
I kopnięcie. I mamy cię.
They were just like family. How could you? I think I'm going to cry.
Nie to chciałem. Dobra. What's next? Tu jest jakieś coś. Dobra, nieważne. Idziemy chyba tam. Wspinaj się po drabince.
Joker must have figured out how I was tracking Gordon. Officer Bowles' trail stops here.
Bowles nie żyje. Chyba. Nie, to Gordon. Dobra, tak więc to był kolejny odcinek Batmana. Już niedługo pojawią się następne. A ja się z wami żegnam. Na razie.